Hi everybody, meteorologist Joe Thompson with you here from the WNWO Weather Center. Hope you all had a great Easter or Passover if you're celebrating any of those two holidays. And fortunately, Mother Nature cooperated with us wonderfully. Turned out to be a gorgeous Sunday afternoon. Let's show you the setup right now across the Great Lakes. We just saw a few high clouds from time to time, mixing in with the sunshine here for us in northwest Ohio and southeast Michigan. There is a narrow band of rain making its way through the central Great Lakes, but all of that is staying to our north, and we're not going to be seeing any rain until we get towards the later afternoon hours on Monday. So for the rest of our Sunday night, things will be staying dry. It was a chilly start to our Sunday. Temperatures were in the mid-30s as we were around 4 a.m. Sunday morning, but things warmed up very quickly and actually reached the low to mid-70s by Sunday afternoon. So we almost added 40 degrees from our morning low. Just an absolutely gorgeous Sunday out there. These are the Goldilocks temperatures, not too hot, not too cold. It just was a glorious day all across the region. Let's zoom in a little closer, show you what you can expect in your forecast. We'll keep things dry for our Sunday night into early Monday morning. Shouldn't have any problems for the Monday morning rush. As we go through the day Monday, though, clouds will be increasing and thickening, becoming cloudy by the mid-afternoon hours, and we will start to introduce an isolated chance for some rain by the mid to late afternoon. That isolated chance will become more scattered with widespread showers arriving as we push our way into Monday evening. Could even see an isolated thunderstorm or two, but the rain will continue off and on as we go through Monday night into Tuesday morning. This is all associated with a cold front that will be working its way on through. Some lingering showers early Tuesday morning, but then we do dry out as we work our way into Tuesday afternoon, though temperatures will be cooler by the time we get to the middle of the week on the backside of that front. For the rest of Sunday night, though, things will be on the warmer side. We're looking for lows in the mid-40s, a little bit better than the 30s we've seen the past couple of days, with just a few high clouds from time to time mixing in with the stars. As we go into Monday, we'll keep things on the warm side, highs back in the mid-70s. Skies becoming cloudy with those showers arriving in the afternoon, becoming more widespread for your Monday evening, but at least it will be a warm start to the week. Now behind that front, we do cool off. Highs around 60 degrees on Tuesday as the rain ends by the afternoon. And Wednesday, kind of on the chilly side again. Lows in the 30s, highs in the 50s, though we do rebound back into the 60s for Thursday and Friday, though more rain will be possible Thursday night into the day on Friday. And once we get past Friday, another front makes its way on through and temperatures do kind of fall off, and we'll sort of see a little prolonged stretch of below average temperatures with some chances for rain by the end of next weekend and continuing into the following week. We'll get more details on those rain chances as we get closer, but certainly more chances for some April showers as we head towards the latter half of the month. But for now, enjoy the warm weather as we kick off the work week before things cool down by Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Joe Thompson. Thanks for checking your forecast on WNWO.com.